If you are looking for a hard-working, standard-duty winch, the VR Evo 10S from Warn will get you out of any situation you find yourself in. The VR Evo series winches are tough. They are IP68 rated to protect from the elements, and the one-piece cast aluminum tie plate adds a durability factor that can't be beat. With the Evo line, you are getting the reliability of a Warn winch without breaking the bank. The features and style Warn has put into this winch provide more value than other premium winches that have less to brag about. This standard duty winch is equipped with the Albright contactor, so you know it won't fail. The powerful series wound motor and planetary gear train gives you a faster line speed, even when the winch is under a load. And the best part is that it still does this with a lower amp draw, so less power is being used. The synthetic 3/8 of an inch line has a max pull strength of 10,000 pounds at 5.2 feet per minute. This winch can pull a lot of weight at a decent speed to help pull yourself or another vehicle out of the ditch. The VR Evo series winches come with relocatable control packs in order to be able to fit it where you need it to be. The Evo line comes with 2 control options. It comes with a remote that can be wired for outside operation, or it can be used wirelessly if you need to use it from inside your truck or Jeep. Installing the Warn VR Evo winch isn't hard. It's a bolt-on operation with a bit of wiring for the power. However, depending on the application and bumper, you may need to install the winch before you install the bumper on the vehicle, like we did with this installation. If you are interested in purchasing from Warn's VR Evo line of winches or looking to have one installed, check out our dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.